Hello guys, in this lecture how we can fade in and fade out with the help of coroutine. So let's go. I have created this script. I will create an empty game object and I will apply this script here. Okay, now I will write two custom functions. The first one will be the fade in function and the second will be fade out function. And I will remove these functions because I don't need these functions. I will define a namespace for UI and I will take one panel for fade in or fade out function. Okay, now I will create two custom functions. The first one will be fade in, the second one will be fade out function. Okay, that's the two function. The first one is fade in, the second one is fade out. What happened in this function? The start value of fade in means the alpha will be 0 and I have placed it here and it gradually increases. When it reaches to this point, it will wait few seconds and after that the while statement or while loop again run until unless it reaches this point. And same for fade out, here it is decreasing. So let's go create two buttons, the first one for fade in, the second one for fade out. So let's go to the editor. I will create two buttons. The first one is I have created these two buttons. I will separate these buttons. And the second thing which I will create, the panel. Okay, by default the alpha will be 0 and I will pass this panel here and I will give the time the waiting time 0.1, and I will call my function here. Sorry for that, it's not public. I have to create two separate functions for calling. So let's go to Unity and call these functions. Now let's play, and you will see the effect. First of all, I will apply the fade in. Why it's not clicking? Okay, because the panel is on the top. So now let's check it out. You can see it's not working. Why it's not working? Fade out. So let's go to Unity, editor. Let's go to Visual Studio and check it out. Image. Okay, now the condition will be 0. You can see it's a cool effect with the help of Coroutine. So you can also practice it, and you can get this kind of effects with the help of Coroutine. And the lecture is done, and the next lecture I will be back with new topics. So stay tuned with us, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. Goodbye for now.